Howdy, it's Jess Pryles from Hardcore Carnivore, and today I'm sharing my tips for cooking over charcoal. There are two main types of charcoal, lump and briquettes. I personally prefer to cook over briquettes because of consistency. I know exactly how hot they're gonna get and how much heat I'm gonna get out of them. The easiest way to light charcoal is to use one of these charcoal chimneys. You just fill it full of coals, then place a fire lighter underneath. And in about 15 or 20 minutes, you're ready to go. You know the coals are ready because the top layer will have just started to ash over. Now, when it comes to grill setup, I always use a 2-zone configuration. So I pile all my coals to one side, and that will give me a definitive hot and cool zone to cook on. This configuration is perfect for those flammable items like bacon or chicken wings. So I'll start them over the hot coals to get that color and sear that I'm looking for, and then I'll move them to the indirect side to finish cooking all the way through. And don't forget, if you close the lid and use that indirect side, your grill is gonna function just like an oven, but with a whole lot more flavor. For more tips, subscribe to Academy Sports and Outdoors YouTube channel.